Today's the 18th of March, 2024. I've just grabbed another $160 from selling some cash secured puts over Woolworths shares. After costs, I've ended up with about $120 in my pocket. Here's how the trade went. So I was having a quick look at Woolworths and I could see that it's down about 0.5% or so today. Nothing major, but a little bit of a downward movement, which I thought I'd cash in on. Because obviously if I'm selling puts, I'm going to make more money as the stock falls closer to the strike price than if it takes off and heads up, because selling puts is actually a bullish strategy, meaning I make money if the stock price goes up, not down. So when I look at the price chart of Woolworths, I can see that there's been a little bit of a sell-off here, meaning the price has come down from these levels here. It's gapped down and fallen down to about these levels here. So in other words, it's gone from about 37.50 or thereabouts down to about 32.50. My expectation, or what I'm basing my trade on here, is the possibility, and it's just my assumption, that Woolworths is going to come back up, back to these old levels here that it was trading at last month. Zooming out of the chart, we can kind of see this stock's been trading in a pretty big range for the last year or two. Up, down, up, down, up, down. So my expectation is around about the $32 mark or something is a little bit of a safety floor that I don't expect, personally, that the stock's going to fall much further than. Just like I don't expect it's going to go much higher than 40. So my interpretation of this is it's round about at the floor now, and potentially it's going to come back up. That's what I'm basing this trade on. So given that today's the 18th of March, I have a look at what options expire around this time next month, so the 18th of April, and I see 32.50 put options with a bid and ask of 44 cents and 59 cents. So I enter a trade that I'm saying that I want to sell to open this trade. I want to sell 3 contracts and I want to receive 52 cents per contract in premium. The contract size, of course, is 100, which means I receive 100 times 3, which is 300, times 52 cents for a total of $156. After about $35 in brokerage and costs, I end up with about $120 in my pocket if the trade goes through. So I put the trade out to market and see what happens. So it now tells me that my order's been submitted, and here's the details. Sell to open, Woolworths, 32.50 put option expiring 18th of April, 3 contracts at 52 cents each. And I can see that that's gone straight through and been executed, because as soon as I come to my manage orders page and look at my outstanding orders, I can see that there aren't any outstanding, which means it's been executed and gone through to the market and the money's been deposited into my account. And here's the confirmation of that trade under my executed orders. 18th of the 3rd, 2024, sell to open the Woolworths put options, 3 of for 52 cents each. I then check my emails and I find that I've got the trade notification email letting me know that the trade's gone through. I've received $156, and after costs and brokerage, my net proceeds are about $120. That trade went through instantly, so that's an instant $120, and my return on this trade would look something like this. I've sold 3 contracts, I've received $120, which says I'm giving somebody the right to sell their Woolworths shares back to me anytime between now and this time in 4 weeks for $32.50. So times the exercise price of $32.50 is $9,750. That's my exposure, meaning if I get exercised on this trade, I've got to come up with $9,750. I've received $120.62 divided by 9,750 equals 1.23%. So that's my rate of return right now. $120 is basically 1.23% of $9,750. But that's cash in my hand right now to keep regardless of what happens on this trade. So another $120 grabbed today. Quick trade there. watch the rest of my videos because I'll explain to you how this trade unfolds over the next few days, few weeks, as well as any other trades that I get into over the next few days. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.